case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2007, the Supreme Court of the United States delivered a verdict in the United States versus Atlantic Research Corp., a case revolving around the recovery of cleanup costs by potentially responsible parties, PRPs, defined by the Comprehensive Environmental Response, Compensation, and Liability Act of 1980, CERCLA. The lawsuit sparked from Atlantic Research's efforts to recoup the costs it had incurred while decontaminating soil and groundwater during their retrofit of rocket motors for the Department of Defense. Until the lawsuit, the government held the position that PRPs could only recover such costs through Section 113F, a specific provision of CERCLA. Atlantic Research, however, claimed that another provision, Section 107A4B, allowed them to pursue such recovery. This divergence in interpretation led to the case being taken up in court. After examining the language and construct of CERCLA, the court referred to previous related court decisions to reach its verdict. The court's interpretation pointed to a crucial difference between Section 107A and Section 113F, identifying them as distinctive legal recourses available to PRPs. Writing for the majority, Justice Thomas clarified that Section 107A enables PRPs to recover certain necessary costs from other PRPs, thus affirming Atlantic Research's claim. The decision set a legal precedent by asserting that PRPs could use Section 107A to seek cost contributions from other PRPs, resulting in the affirmation of the judgment by the Court of Appeals. However, the court also ruled that the PRPs could not manipulate the longer statute of limitations for cost recovery actions provided by the Section 107A over the shorter limitations period prescribed by Section 113F for contribution claims. The landmark ruling provided a clearer explanation of different legal remedies available to PRPs and upheld the essence of Section 113F2 that protected against liabilities arising from cost recovery under Section 107A.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.